What am I trying to say? What am I trying to say? I can't talk. I cannot say what I'm trying to say. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Emily and today I've got a clothing haul for you guys. So the store from which I got all my stuff is called Garage. It's a Canadian store. I'm from Canada. I live in a small town right on the outside of Montreal. So yeah, I speak French and English. But yeah, enough about me and let's talk about some clothes. First thing I'm going to show you is some kind of lounge clothing, basically sweatpants, comfortable stuff to wear at home. But if we're being honest, we all know that we wear like sweatpants everywhere that we go. So, you know, everyday clothes basically, just comfortable. First thing I want to show you guys is these sweatpants that I got. They have them in a bunch of different colors and different patterns. Most of them are tie-dye, but yeah. I went for these blue ones with this purple-ish tie-dye. I think they're super cute and comfortable. But for me, what's really a selling point with these is the cut. I mean, no brainer, you know, we always need a good cut. I want to mention quickly the material. It's very, very soft. Like, it's light but soft, and like that softness is really comforting when it's gonna be like fall and winter. So yeah, about the cut, I really like them because I wanted something super casual. So I needed to be like, you know, kind of baggy but not too much. So these are mediums and they have kind of a straight leg, okay? And I'm very particular about legs, okay? I like different cuts, but when it comes to sweatpants, I just don't like when the elastic at the bottom is very tight and then the rest is baggy, so it kind of looks like it sucks in too much and you can see like the material kind of overflowing. Anyway, but these pants don't do that. Like, they go, the way that they're cut, it just gradually, like, it's baggy, but then at the end it gradually becomes like skinny enough to make kind of a nice silhouette, you know? It's a nice continuous, there's no like awkward like folds and stuff. And most importantly, they're comfortable. I love them. I really love them. So these are the first ones. They have pockets on the sides. And, you know, thumbs up for these ones. And like I said, I'm super into sweatpants. Who isn't? Okay, so I had to get another pair. Classic gray sweatpants. They're the same cut as the ones that I just showed you. The same cut, but they're, you know, they're your classic gray sweatpants, but slightly lighter. They're like very light gray sweatpants. They're like whitish gray. And I mean, I'm not gonna go on and on about the fit and the cut because I just told you all of that, but you know, it's the same thing. And I really love them. Sometimes I get clothes from the store and I retouch them and make them more like tailored to me, but I didn't have to do anything with these. They fit really well. Still in the sweatpants category, I have these gray sweatpants. They also have pockets on the side. They have a thicker waistband, which I really love. It really helps to suck everything in. Who doesn't love that? Okay, but these are a little different because they're a little baggier and they're like flares. They're flares. They're very like long legs, you know. It's just so casual and effortless to wear this and comfortable, okay? So yeah, they have a really nice color and they fit super well, and they don't like, the material is pretty light. It's light enough, but the way they've done it, it's just, it feels like quality, you know, and it doesn't fall weird anywhere. It just falls really nicely, and I am sure that these pants would look good on anybody, literally. Next item is another pair of comfy pants. All right, they're just black and they actually have a little ribbing detail in it. There you go. And they're really nice. They're basically yoga pants. They're long, they go all the way to the floor. They're flares. I love some flares. And I mean, the only problem that I had with these is that they were a little long, so I had to do the bottom. And the other thing is I had to sew on the inner elastic, because this is how it is. There's no, got a thick elastic on the inside, but as you can see, it's not sewn in everywhere. How can I say? I hope you guys can see that, but like, you know, the elastic was only like secured in 4 places, like in the front, in the back, and on the 2 sides. And I just didn't think that that was enough, because I felt like it kind of like would roll. You wanted to roll, and you could see like a kind of a line that the elastic was making. I don't know if I'm explaining myself very well, but I'm pretty sure it's happened to a few people already, so I'm pretty sure some people might know what I'm talking about. But all I had to do was basically just sew a little line like all around it, so that it would be more secure in more places and less prone to roll down. So that's the only problem that I had with these. Other than that, I just really love this style of pants, so here they are. Next we have this really cute black crop top, which goes with the pants. As you can see, it's the same material. It's really cute. It's a crop top, you know, long sleeve, very tight neckline, and the back is really cute. It's all open and it ties with a little string. It's just basically I am Gia at a fraction of the price. Next, I got just a really nice turtleneck. Actually, they mark it as a mock neck. It's actually a mock neck, but you know, it does, to me, it's basically the same thing. So it's also ribbed. Material is a nice little ribbed material. It's very light. It's kind of like the same material as like regular old wife beaters, and it's a bit kind of see-through, which is not great. Okay, it would be a little better if it wasn't see-through, but overall the cut of it, the comfort, it just doesn't bother me that much, you know. I still really love it. And one last thing is the length. It'll be really easy to wear with anything that's a high waist skirt or whatever. It's not like when you are trying to wear a normal length shirt with like a high waisted skirt or high waisted pants, and then you see everything bunched up in there, you know. So it's like not too short to make you look like you have like your belly is showing or anything, but it's just like the perfect length. Like it goes all the way like to your waist. So I really love that, especially since it's the fall and winter is approaching really closely. I like to have crop tops because they're cute, but I don't want them to be too short because I do get cold. Okay, next, another thing that I'm super happy and excited about is these boyfriend jeans. They're the 90s boyfriend jean, actually. They have all the little snaps, no zipper, but sorry, not snaps, but just this little buttons situation, which I love. And they're baggy, as boyfriend jeans should. The wash is really nice. There's a little hole on the knee area. The one thing that needs to be said about these jeans is that it's a boyfriend jean, but it's not like getting your boyfriend's jeans literally, because they fit at your waist, okay? Like, their booty's gonna look nice in this. Like, your booty is gonna look nice in this, even though they're baggy. So yeah. Okay, last but not least, this little gem right here. Okay, this cardigan is just so cute. The lighting right now, I'm sorry, it does not do it justice at all. It's a beautiful little mint green. It's very soft and fuzzy. I look like I could be playing in Scream Queens or in Clueless wearing this, and it just gives me life. Okay, I really wish I could have this in every color. Alright, I decided that I wasn't going to be lazy and I was actually going to do a proper haul and include a try-on section. So first I'm going to start by pointing out that yes, the turtleneck is a bit see-through. It's not ideal, but at the end of the day, it's not that big of a deal. I mean, just a little bra showing is not going to hurt anybody. So that's that. But other than that, another reason why it doesn't bother me that much is because I bought it more as a layering piece. I like to wear it like under t-shirts. I like to wear it with a lot of different things actually, just to have that neckline or just to add a little layer to a little bit of warmth underneath another shirt, for example. So yeah, that's it for the shirt. Other than that, I want to talk about the pants. I'm still as obsessed with them. I love the pattern. They're really, really cute. I'm not gonna lie though, it can be challenging to style these just because the only colors that I like wearing on top with these is like a white shirt, a light pink shirt, or a light purple maybe, and I just don't have a lot of those colored shirts. There was actually a matching crop top hoodie that I could have got. Kind of regret not getting it, but whatever. I actually remembered that I had these pink Vans, so at least I got that I could pair with these. So yeah, I'm still pretty happy that I got these pants. And also, like I mentioned earlier, they're so comfy. Here we got the light gray sweatpants, and nothing much to say about that. It's pretty much the same thing, a bit easier to style this time. And yeah, it's just an essential, really good basic to have. So I'm really glad that I got some really cute and cozy ones. Yeah, so out of all the stuff that I got in this little trip to garage, like these pants are up there. Like they're one of my favorite items of all time, and I'm just so glad that I found some. I just love flares, and when they go all the way down to the floor, like makes your legs look so long, and just the waist on top of that is just really flattering. So I think I'm gonna have to go get the black ones. Alright, if ever you were wondering if the perfect pair of boyfriend jeans existed, well, you don't need to look any further than Garage because these are just so flattering. I swear, I'm obsessed again with these. I really like wearing a tighter kind of top with these pants to contrast with the bagginess. And other than that, I really also appreciate the fact that they look so good with my favorite shoes. Like just an Air Force One or pretty much any Vans would look great with this. Even these Jordan 3s look really good with these pants. And I just already can't wait for the summer to come so that I could wear these with like some really cute sandal heels. It would just look so good. It would just all complement each other so nicely, and yeah, mix it up a little. Now here's what the little two-piece set looks like. I really like it, other than the elastic that was a bit of a problem for me at first, which I fixed. I'm really in love with this little set over here, and I'm gonna go as far as saying that it's really an essential for me. Okay, here's the little cardigan that I showed you earlier. I'm not going to say much about it other than it's perfect and I absolutely love it. I'm actually going to talk to you guys about the pants because I realized that I forgot to include them in the little showing part of the clothes. But yeah, these are a really nice pair of cargos that I got at Garage as well at the same time as all the other stuff. And yeah, they're really cute. I really like them. I took them a little bit baggier for me, and once again, the cut is just flattering. So even though they are a bit baggier, I feel like they fit really well. And on top of that, they're gonna fit me for a bit of a longer time since I am somebody who works out. But yeah, once again, I did do a few little modifications to these. It's just because they had an elastic at the bottom, but I removed it because I prefer a straight leg. Alright guys, that wraps up my garage haul. I literally don't have anything else to show you guys. If you stayed until the end, well, thank you. You're a real one, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more of these types of video, then stay tuned. I also make kind of sewing type videos, maybe a bit of makeup, maybe a bit of health and wellness, who knows. We're kind of exploring what we can do on this channel right now. So if you want to keep up and see what I come up with next, then go ahead and click the subscribe button, and if not, just a little like, that would be really appreciated. And yeah, I guess maybe I'll see you in the next video, and until then, I hope you have a really great life. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.